So we're right here in the brand new 2020 Cadillac XT6. This is the new third row that came out. Thing is sweet. And it's equipped with parking assist. So I wanted to make a quick video on how to use your parking assist. So if your salesperson didn't show you or you just forgot, you always have this video to show you how to use it. And it's super useful. It always backs the car in, and that way it's easier to get out. And on top of that, if you're just not very good at parking backwards or parking parallel, it can help you with both. So first things first, you're going to press this parking button here, and then it's going to ask if it's on the left or the right side, or if it's perpendicular or parallel. So this one's on the left. If you look over there, there's our parking spot. And then once you get it set up to where it's looking, go ahead and put it in drive, and then release the brake. So you're going to keep going, and it's going to be scanning on the left and seeing if there is a spot available. And then it should pop up right here. It sees a spot. So it tells you that R for reverse. So I'm going to put it in reverse. Take your hands off the steering wheel. It'll shake the steering wheel for a second to let you know to take your hands off of it. And then you're going to watch this bar and the camera. So once that blue bar fills up, you're going to press the brake. And then it says drive forward, so you're going to drive forward. Alright. And then put it in reverse. And it'll back up right in there. Alright, so there we are, and we press this P right here for park, and we are good to go to get out, exit the vehicle, and do whatever it is that we were going to do. So, you see how easy and convenient that is? I mean, it's just one click of a button, and then you're good to go. It can be faster if you want to press the gas, it can be slower if you want to press the brakes, and you can also stop in the midst of that line there, and then it'll go ahead and do the other course of action ahead of time. It will take more rotations though, so depending on what you see. So just keep an eye on it. You should be good. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. Click the subscribe if you'd like to see more. There'll be notifications and stuff. I might put more on there. Who knows? And of course, share it to your friends if you know anybody that's got a Cadillac. But if you want this feature, Cadillac's a great way to go, especially with all the other technology that's available in the car. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.